Okay, so far I had superb footage of my knees and feet. It's Boxing Day, Grouse Mountain peak, 22 centimeters of wet, slushy snow. Oh. I had the chest mount. The chest mount as low as it could go on my stomach, and all I got was pictures of my knees. Even if I angled up as high as I could, so I'm trying it as close to my neck as possible. Point it up as high as I can. I should have taken the spin classes with Omar. My legs are tired. It's only been about 10 runs. These blizzards give me a run for the money. I'm finding it really hard. Stay out of the back seat. They're very unforgiving compared to what I've been skiing. They carve very well. So if I don't follow the fall line, if I go across the mountain too much, they'll want to chatter and tell me I suck. I know I do suck. Especially since I didn't take any spin lessons. The home closet training is not sufficient. Whoa. Tuck on! Woo. Woo. Legs. How's the feeling? Woo. Sweet. Whew.